guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sia. If this is your first time being here, welcome, and if it's not, welcome back. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how I transform these old individual braids into the boho box braids. Now I have a little secret for you guys. I've actually never done this before, but I was honestly just going to turn these into box braids, but I was like, I had some leftover curly hair from the hair that I used for my birthday photo shoot, so I was like, y'all, let me install that and just transform it and make it into a brand new hairstyle. So if it's something that you guys want to see, stay tuned. All right guys, so as you can see, this is the braids. This is what it looks like. So because the front looked very old, I took it upon myself yesterday and I just re-braided just the first 2 rows of the hair, just so it would look like something, because I plan on keeping this for at least like maybe another week or 2. So I didn't braid the hair all the way down. That's why there's some that look like this. And for the ones that are braided all the way down, those are like the older braids. So you can see the difference between the older ones and the new ones. And like I said, it's just in the front just to make it look fresh. So what I do, whenever I do my box braids, I just put the hair down, put it into a ponytail, like so. You can see it's like this, and then I take this scrunchie that I have and I put it into a ponytail, and I would just cut it from there. But this time I kind of want to do an asymmetrical bob, so I do want this side, which is my right side, to be a little longer than the rest of my hair. So I'm just gonna leave some out on this side. I'm probably gonna leave just this amount, just a small amount, as you can see. Yeah, and then I'm gonna leave this out so that way I'm able to see how long I need it to be. And as for the rest of the hair, I'm just gonna put it into a ponytail. All right, it should look something like this. Then I'm gonna take some scissors. These are like just some kitchen scissors that I have, because I don't have any like cutting scissors, but it's okay, you know, you use whatever it is that you have. And what I usually do is I cut under the ponytail, so I don't cut above. Like as you can see here, the scrunchies right here, I'm gonna cut below it. I don't cut above it, cut below right here, and I'm gonna cut right under it. So guys, I'm actually gonna cut the ponytail into 2, and I'm about to show you so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And the only reason why I'm doing that is because the ponytail is too big for me to just cut it across like this. So yeah, y'all about to see. So these are the 2 bundles right here, and I'm all done with this. I don't need these anymore. So we're about to see how they look. I'm gonna take the scrunchie out, and it looks like this. A bob, exactly the length that I wanted. So now with this here, with this length, I'm just gonna cut a little bit, like it's gonna be like right under it. And I'm gonna twist like so. And just based on the length, it's like right there. I'm just gonna compare it to the bundle that I have right now, and I'm gonna cut right under where this braid stops. So this braid, I'm using this braid as kind of like a guide. I'm gonna cut right under it, probably like right there, so you guys can see where my finger is and where the braid is. I don't know why I wore black today. I don't know, guys, sorry about that, but hopefully you're able to see. And this is my 3rd bundle. So see, it's not much of a big difference, which is what I did not want. It's just slightly longer. So that's how the bob looks, guys. So now guys, I'm just gonna go through my hair and just see if there's any pieces that are a little longer than I need them to be. So probably like, for example, these right here are a little long, being that that one is short. So to make it even, I would just kind of trim those just a little bit. I'm not gonna do too much, like this, just like that. Yes, this is exactly the length that I was thinking about in my head. I want it just like this. So guys, being that I cut it, I don't want the braids to unravel, even though I'm pretty sure they won't, but they are like very soft. I'm just gonna go through with my flat iron, and I'm gonna use this to secure each and every single braid. That's like one thing that I do to seal the braids, because I don't have a match. And besides that, I feel like using the flat iron is just way it's just a better option because I just don't really like matches like that. So I just did these two off camera just to kind of practice a little bit because it's been a while since I did this, but it looks just like this. That's how it's gonna look. So what I do is I hold down probably like 2 to 3 strands at a time. So in this case, I'll be holding down 3, and I just make sure they're all even. And I grab down the flat iron and press it all the way down till I'm at the end, and hold probably like 5 seconds. And I'm done. And it looks like that. They're gonna be sticky, so you pull them apart. And they're gonna be very hot, so be careful for this next step, but I like try to grab it and I pinch the end pieces together to give it a shape, because if not, they're gonna look flat and that's not what I want. Just like that. And then that's how the end looks. So I'm not too worried about it being like super even. One, I'm not a professional hairstylist, and two, once we add the curly pieces, it's not really gonna make much of a difference. Like I said, I've never done this before, but I would like to think it won't make much of a difference. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and I'll be back once I'm done. All right guys, so this is how it looks. Lengthwise, I'm pretty satisfied. So guys, I actually got a wet, super hot towel and I'm gonna put that all over my hair, just to kind of help it lay flat a little bit. Then also I'm gonna take some mousse that I have. I'm actually running out, but this is the Viral Curls Mousse, and it's a super hold enriched with argan oil. So I shake. I'm just gonna put that all over my hair. So I'm gonna let that simmer in a little bit while it's creating its natural shape. Just playing around with it to try to figure out like how I'm gonna, I don't know, guys. I don't know. So next I got this gold string from my local beauty supply store, and I'm gonna just add it on random spots of my hair. I think it was like $2.99 or so, something like that, per package. So I'm just gonna add a string to just random braids. I'm just gonna pick them and see what happens. All right guys, so I added 2 on this side and I added 2 on this side as well. I didn't want to do too much. So guys, I honestly feel like I can just stop right here. Like, I don't even have to add the curly pieces. I really do like how this came out. But of course, I mean, I can't do that to you guys. I'm gonna definitely add the curly pieces, only because I really do want to see like what it would look like and how it would just really like transform my entire face with the curly pieces. So guys, because I'm gonna take some pictures right after this, I'm actually gonna go get dressed and I will come back and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna install the curly pieces. So I'll be right back. All right guys, so this is the final look. I ended up wearing this yellow off-shoulder top, which I thought really complemented the look with the gold pieces in my hair. I honestly feel like I don't even want to add the curly pieces, but I do kind of want to see, you know, how it looks afterwards. All right guys, so for my birthday hair, I use this hair from Model, and it's called Gardenia Master Mix. It was about $20 per pack, so I only used like a pack and a half, and I believe it was 18, 20, and 22 inches. So I am gonna use the 18 inches for this hair. All right, so after taking it out of the package, it looks like this. So, all right, so you're definitely gonna need a crochet stick, and then you're gonna need the hair, obviously. And you're also gonna need some scissors to cut the pieces. So I'm just gonna take like a strand, take one strand, and I'm gonna cut it from the weft, like so. And I'm just gonna crochet the hair into a braid. So I'm gonna just use this braid here. And let's see what happens. I'm gonna do it like this. So after crocheting, I'm gonna just tie the knot once. And that should secure it to the braid. Ooh, look at that. Nice. I like it so far. So I'm gonna do another one. By the way, I'm not folding the hair in half like so because it would be too short. Probably when I get to this side I will, but I am kind of like folding it like that. So that way the longer pieces have longer curls and maybe the shorter pieces I'll fold it in half. So once again, I insert. It's a little hard to push the crochet needle inside the braid, but once you put it in, it's okay. Close that latch. I have a video that shows how I crochet, guys. I'm gonna actually put the link to that video in the description box because I was doing another crochet look. And that's it. All right guys, so I did a good portion of it. I just did this right here. So I'm just gonna do the rest of it off camera so I can really see in the mirror and add the pieces properly and in the place that I want them. So once I'm done with everything, I will come back for the absolute final look. All right guys, so this is the absolute final look. I'm feeling it, guys. I'm sorry, I'm really like, this is different. I've never done anything like this before, like I said. So this, guys, like I can like put a couple outfits together, do my thing, and these pictures will be nice. I think I just gotta play with it a little bit more. Guys, I wanna thank you so much for watching another video of mine. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so you are MVP to all of my videos. Make sure you like, comment, share. You guys, thank you so much for the support, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.